Scorpios, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies for the mid-month of December 2021. In this video I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your reading, do not try to make it yours, okay? So let's get started. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Let's see what is there for my Scorpios. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign, mid-December 2021. Scorpios, mid-December 2021, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. We have Seven of Pentacles at the back of your deck, as your overall energy. Okay, so your overall energy with the Seven of Pentacles, it tells us about some, you might be waiting for something patiently, or waiting for some fruits to come out, waiting for a huge sum of money. You could be waiting, some of you could be waiting for a job offer which you have given an interview of. Could be waiting for something like instability, you would say. We are going to clarify what exactly this patience, because I see you are standing over there patiently. So somebody is patient in some situation of theirs. Okay, so in the past we have the World, Five of Cups and the Moon. I feel that something in relation with a situation like relationship, something had ended in the past. It was a complete cycle, with the sea. There was a complete cycle and it ended. It could be from your side or it could be from some other person's side, but that ending really left a mark of regrets, loss, sadness into something or onto someone. Okay, it could be, there were two faces of a person, and when the things ended, the other face was visible of the other person, and it showed regrets and loss. Could be your energy, could be your person's energy. In the present, we have Six of Cups, Strength and Nine of Swords. I feel that you were giving time to yourself at present. You were into that state of compassion, and you were in the state of giving time to yourself, like in self-love. And all of a sudden somebody from the past appeared in front of you, or could have just called you or something, which made you really scared, or it's like a nightmare. If not a nightmare, this thing is like, that goosebumps. It has created that goosebumps inside you. You didn't want that, I feel, somewhere, because you ended that situation long back ago. And it's like, again, why you have come up all of a sudden. In the coming future, we have Ten of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, Five of Swords. Okay. I feel that you are distressing because of this person, or because of the situation which came from the past, It's like rising from the dead all of a sudden. You might be seeing something like that, okay? But yeah, there is like no going back, and that. Somewhere I feel that you already You could be single. Okay, you could be single if this is a relationship issue. You are single, you will be single for a certain period of time in the future as well, but you do not expect something, as in you do not expect the same person's energy in the future. That is what is seen in the cards right now. We are going to clarify what that is. Tell me about the Seven of Pentacles. I think that somewhere you really waited patiently, or you waited for this person to come back, to realize, to get, to regret and to say sorry to you somehow. And that thing actually happened for some of you. You wanted, because again the Six of Cups is here in your overall energy. This is somebody who is coming back from the past. You were waiting patiently for this person to just come back all of a sudden, and they should be sorry for whatever they have done. They should regret, they feel sorry, because you might have given a lot of love and a lot of nurture to this person. A lot of care was involved, but I feel that you are saying no to this person, as though you are like, you're crossing in front of your heart, like, no, I am not going to accept you. No matter, okay, fine, you might be sorry for that, but I'm not going to accept you. For some of you, if this person hasn't come yet, there are still regrets from their end. They might not be able to come to you, but I see somebody is getting some nightmares about the past, because overall in your current energies you are getting Six of Cups, the Nine of Swords. This person, this person just got up from the bed while sleeping. Could be getting some dreams in regarding to that, to this past person, because things could have went really toxic and really bad. And that is why you are wondering, like, why all of a sudden this person is coming in your dreams. This ended, this situation has already been ended. Okay, let's see. The world energy, why the world is here in the past. Eight of Wands, the Temperance and the Sun. I see things have ended long ago, with things balancing is there. All things were ended in the past only. Things, I don't see it happening. Like, it could be a very beautiful relationship, but things ended. Five of Cups in the past energies. The Chariot, Page of Wands and Eight of Swords. I feel that somewhere some regrets are in your side as well. Somehow you feel like you were not able to drive your own vehicle. That means in the past you could be a kind of person who was not able to take his or her own decisions, and you were just going what this person was telling you. Like, do this, okay, I'm doing this because I love you. Do that, okay, I'll do that because I love you. So somewhere you could be the submissive one in the relationship, and you have regrets for that thing. Could be possible for only some of you, not for everyone, but yeah. The Moon energy I want to see. Yeah, this also tells us about dreams, bad dreams. Ten of Swords, the Magician and Page of Cups. Because of this relationship, you really ended a lot of dreams, a lot of dreaming, dreams which you might have got inside you, like, I want to become this, I want to do that, I want to study abroad. There could be many things you wanted to do in the past, but you just ended because of this relationship, because of you just wanted to make this person happy. You could have also gotten an offer from something good, but you rejected that offer because of this person, and you have regrets because of that. You have, I feel. Okay, tell me about the Six of Cups in the present energies. Three of Pentacles, King of Swords, and the Fool. I don't see you, if this person or if the situation is asking you for any comeback, or let's just talk it out kind of a thing. You are not ready. You are not ready to talk to this person. You are not even ready for a new relationship or new something. This is more like an energy where you could be still stuck in the past somewhere because of the dreams you are having, but you do not want to work on that issue. You do not want, because this has already been ended. You are working on yourself, but you are, however, you are working on yourself, but something is stopping you from. What is the stop? Why my Scorpions are feeling that energy of stopping, getting stopped by something? Ace of Swords, Queen of Swords, King of Wands. Okay, could be because of some other male or female in your family or around you. Could be because of lack of could be because of self-doubt, not lack. It could be a self-doubt which you are getting inside you. You know that you are worthy enough that you can go and you can be with anyone, or you can be happy somewhere. You understand that about yourself, but still something is stopping you. I feel that this is your self-doubt which is stopping you. Tell me about the Ten of Wands in the future energies. Knight of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, and Queen of Pentacles. Wow. So yeah, this tells us about some kind of a confrontation, I feel, because with the two knights together over here, I feel some kind of confrontation, some kind of counseling kind of a thing, or could be just two people coming and talking the things out. You could be dumping all the bad things onto them, whatever you have done, because there is a communication which is coming towards you in the future with this person or about this person. Okay, you could be going to some counseling or therapy you could be taking, because you are free, but you really want to become more free, because you're not able to understand why I am getting this person's dream so much, why this person is roaming around my head. This person didn't do anything good to me, and now I really, it could be a toxic relationship, and it could be a karmic imbalance with this person. That is why they are still roaming around your head. Why the Five of Swords energy is here in the future? Five of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, and Death. See, transformation is there, with the new energy of love. So once you will understand that this thing has actually been ended with the Five of Pentacles and the Five of Swords, you actually felt that there was a lot of deception and a lot of loss and sadness with this situation, with this past person, but somehow you are ready to move forward in the coming future. If not ready now, if you are giving yourself enough time right now at present, you are coming towards that ending of this isolation, that feeling of being isolated, feeling of being single for a long period of time. It's coming towards an end, and you are opening your heart towards somebody new. So don't worry, okay, Scorpios? So that is all from my side, and that is all. Okay, so I hope it helps, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.